5 класс. Английский язык. Заказ еды. Домашнее задание. Страница 102. English. Spotlight 5. Ordinary food. Homework page 102. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 102. 102. English in use. Ordinary food. Exercise number 1, letter A. Listen and repeat. Послушайте и повторите. Take away, please. Can I take your order? I'd like a large cheeseburger, please. Would you like anything to drink with that? Is that eat in or take away? Here you are. An orange juice, please. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 1, letter B. Where can you hear these sentences? Which sentences does the cashier say? Which does the customer say? Listen and check. Где вы могли слышать эти предложения? Какие предложения говорит кассир, какие покупатель? Cashier. Would you like anything to drink with that? Is that eat in or take away? And enjoy your meal. Here you are. Take away, please. Can I take your order? Customer. I'd like a large cheeseburger, please. An orange juice, please. Thank you. My dear friends, do exercise number 2. Read the dialogue. What is an ordering? How much is it? Прочитайте диалог. Что заказала Анна? Сколько это стоит? Can I take your order? I'd like a large cheeseburger, please. Would you like anything to drink with that? An orange juice, please. Is that eat in or take away? Take away, please. That's 3.89 pounds, please. Here you are. Thank you. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. The answer. Anne is ordering a cheeseburger and some orange juice to take away. It costs 3.89 pounds. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. You are at a fast food restaurant. Use the menu to act out a similar dialogue between a customer and the cashier. Use the sentences in exercise number 1, letter A. Record your syllabus. Вы в ресторане фастфуда. Используйте меню, чтобы разыграть похожий диалог между покупателем и кассиром. Используйте предложение из упражнения 1А. Запишите себе. The answer. Can I take your order? Yes, I'd like a medium cheeseburger, please. Would you like anything to drink with that? A Coke, please. Is that eat in or take away? Take away, please. That's 2.49 pounds, please. Here you are. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. Do exercise number 4. Pronunciation. G, J. Reading rules. G, J. Glass. G plus E-I. J. Orange. Listen and repeat. Think of 2 more words with the same sounds. Придумайте 2 слова с такими же звуками. Г. Glue. Garlic. J. Margin. Large. The answer. G. Grow. Good. Glad. J. Strange. Bridge. Encourage. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest.
My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance.